This impressive two-story shipping container home is an architectural marvel built from a collection of shipping containers. The house is built using 4 interlocking shipping containers that have been modified to provide an open floor plan with plenty of natural light flowing through the space. In this video, we bring to you a spectacular home you won't believe is built using shipping containers in Tocumwal, New South Wales, Australia. Welcome back. The main entrance welcomes you into a classy open-plan living space with a fully furnished kitchen, dining and lounge area. The lovely living space accommodates a nice cozy living room furnished with a modern couch perfect for relaxing or taking a nap, with a large TV for entertainment and a fireplace to keep warm during winter evenings. Next to the lounge is a lovely dining space. It features a custom dining table with comfortable seats that can seat up to 6 people. The kitchen includes high-end stainless steel appliances, plenty of counter space, under the counter and overhead storage cabinets, unlimited amount of cooking space, and a beautiful kitchen backsplash that has been expertly finished, and lots of natural light from the large kitchen window. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms. The master bedroom boasts a luxurious ensuite and a walk-in wardrobe. The master bedroom accommodates a comfortable double bed and a large glass window for daylighting. Additionally, the 2 expansive bedrooms, each with comfy beds and ample storage options, provide convenient access to a central bathroom. A glass door from the second floor opens onto a large terrace where you can enjoy the morning sun. This 2-story shipping container house delivers a range of modern comforts, including heating and cooling. Double glazed windows and shutters are provided. The insulation of this property is truly outstanding, giving you consistent climate throughout the day and night, as well as whisper quiet internals. The outdoor dining area and the large backyard in this property is perfect for entertaining guests or just enjoying some peace and quiet outdoors. The house is finished with modern exterior cladding which exemplify the industrial roots of the property. Which part of this shipping container house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and feel free to share it. If you like this kind of content, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase the best of shipping container home projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.